Welcome to Review Lab. The best winged weeder is probably one of the most innovative and effective gardening tools you'll ever come across, designed to make your weeding task significantly easier and faster, allowing you to spend less time battling stubborn plants and more time enjoying your beautiful, pristine garden. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Easily switch between trimming your lawn and edging your walkways. This tool converts in seconds, making yard work a breeze. Never get caught with a broken line again. Our innovative command feed system provides instant line feeding with just the push of a button. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. Reach difficult areas and uneven terrain with ease. The adjustable head tilts 90 degrees, allowing you to trim and edge in those hard-to-reach places. Achieve perfectly straight lines and clean cuts every time. The integrated rubberized wheels provide support and guidance for precise edging. Keep your plants and decorations safe. The adjustable spacer guard prevents accidental damage to your flower beds and lawn ornaments. Get the job done with two included 20V power share batteries. These lightweight powerhouses are compatible with all your other WORX power share tools. What we like? This tool offers incredible versatility, easily switching between trimming and edging. If you're looking for a single tool to handle multiple lawn care tasks efficiently, this is a great choice. Its lightweight design also makes it comfortable for extended use. What people say? The 2 extra batteries are awesome. I can literally finish my entire yard with one battery. The automatic feed button seems as if no extra line is being pulled out, but upon inspection, it really is. It is light like everyone says, but I read somewhere here some elderly lady where she engineered an old shoulder strap to help ease the load even more. Number 4. GREBSTK Crack Weeder with Beech Handle. Tackle stubborn weeds in cracks and crevices with ease. Its unique L-shaped, double-sided blade scrapes and cuts, making quick work of even the toughest growth. The precision ground, hardened stainless steel blade penetrates aggressively yet is thin enough to get into tight spaces without causing damage. It's rust-resistant and built to last. Weighing just 0.44 pounds and with an overall length of 13 inches, this tool reduces hand fatigue. It provides ample leverage for efficient weeding and is compact enough to carry anywhere. The solid beech wood handle is strong, lightweight, and comfortable to hold. It offers a non-slip grip, even in wet conditions, and includes a hanging hole for easy storage. Perfect for removing grass, moss, and weeds from between pavers, patios, and driveways. It's also ideal for creating crisp, manicured borders along walkways. This versatile weeding tool is trusted by both homeowners and professional landscapers for its effectiveness and durability. What we like? Its unique L-shaped blade is designed for tough growth in tight spaces. If you have stubborn weeds between patio stones or in driveway cracks, this manual weeder will make quick work of them. The durable stainless steel and comfortable beech handle ensure it lasts. What people say? It's a great tool for weeding in tight spaces. The wing design makes it easy to get close to plants without damaging them. It works really well on small weeds and in between rows. Number 3. FLORA Guard 40 Stand-Up Weed Puller. Introducing the FLORA Guard Weed Puller, your ultimate solution for a pristine lawn. Its 40-inch handle allows you to remove weeds without bending or kneeling, protecting your back and knees. Featuring 4 sharp claws, this tool grips weeds deep within the soil, ensuring they are pulled out by the roots. This prevents regrowth, keeping your garden beautifully weed-free. Enjoy gardening without the strain. This stand-up weeder is perfect for seniors, busy parents, or anyone seeking a comfortable way to maintain their yard. Using it is a breeze. Simply insert the claw, twist to grab the roots, and release the weeds. It's highly effective against common lawn weeds like dandelions and clover. Built with rust-resistant steel, this heavy-duty tool is designed to last. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort, making yard work less of a chore. This weed puller simplifies yard work for everyone. For best results, moisten the soil before use, and enjoy a beautifully maintained lawn. What we like? This tool allows you to weed without bending or kneeling, saving your back and knees. If you're looking for a comfortable and ergonomic solution for removing weeds by the roots, especially dandelions, this is the one. Its long handle and strong claws make it effective even in tougher soil. What people say. Crabgrass came out easy, roots, limbs and all. This really does a good job of getting it all, including the roots. The only drawback of this item is that it does make a fairly large hole where the plant and root was, so I have to go back and fill it in with topsoil or sand. Other than that, it works great, is very well made and sturdy. It worked like a dream for about 6 or 7 small weedy grass clumps in our loose sandy soil. The spring-loaded release mechanism to pop out the removed clumps is a brilliant idea. Number 2. SPORTY'S Crevice Cleaning Tool. Tired of dirt and debris stuck in hard-to-reach places? Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to tackle those stubborn messes with ease. With its adjustable telescoping handle, you can effortlessly extend your reach to over 40 inches. The durable stainless steel blade is built to last and effectively removes even the toughest grime. This tool isn't just for your deck. It's perfect for clearing weeds from between patio bricks and sidewalks, making it a versatile addition to your home maintenance arsenal. Experience a comfortable and secure grip thanks to the hard rubber handle. When you're done, simply hang it up using the convenient storage ring. The innovative blade design features a sharpened edge for cutting through weeds, offering dual functionality in one powerful tool. Save time and effort with this efficient cleaning solution. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel shaft and a heat-treated stainless steel blade, this tool is designed for long-lasting performance and resistance to rust, ensuring it will be a reliable helper for years to come. What we like. With its adjustable telescoping handle, you can customize the reach to avoid bending over. If you need to clear debris and weeds from tight spaces like between deck boards or patio tiles, this tool is highly effective. The dual-function blade adds to its versatility for both cutting and scraping. What people say. It is a great tool for weeding. It works very well. I love this weeder. Number 1. True Temper 1866300 Action Hoe. Introducing the True Temper Action Hoe, designed for efficient gardening. Its unique triangular head makes weeding and cultivating around plants a breeze. This tool is perfect for tackling stubborn weeds. It effectively cuts weed roots just below the surface, keeping your garden pristine. Experience comfort and control with its 54-inch hardwood handle. It's built for strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting use. Easily cultivate around your delicate plants without causing damage. Its design allows for precise work in tight spaces. Rely on its robust construction for all your gardening tasks. This hoe is a dependable addition to your garden tool collection. What we like. This hoe features a unique triangular head perfect for cultivating around live plants. If you need to precisely weed and cut roots below the surface without disturbing delicate plants, this is an excellent choice. The long hardwood handle provides good leverage and durability. What people say. This is a sturdy, well-made tool, and replaces a rake we bought at Agway nearly 50 years ago. My husband especially loves the long handle, which makes standing and working far easier than working on hands and knees. This was better than expected. I didn't realize that it cuts into the ground under the weeds. I pulled out all the big weeds with deep roots, but this took care of everything else. I like that it comes with a solid wood handle. I think that will help it last a long time. This is a weeder. A two-sided blade to be drawn and pushed just under the surface to uproot weeds. It works particularly well in mulch. It is fast and superior to any other method I've tried. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.